Hi guys, it's Tracy and today I'm back with a new video, and today we have the battle of the boxes. We have a Boxy Luxe box, which is here, and we have a Boxy Premium box, which is this size. So this is the first time I've gotten the Premium box. This is just the second one that they've had. So we're gonna see if it's worth the $35 for the Premium, and if the Boxy Luxe is worth the extra coin every third month. So if you are new to my channel, welcome. I hope you enjoy the video. If you do, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and if you are a returning watcher, welcome back. Mr. is here trying to get in on the action, and if you don't know what Boxycharm is, it is basically a mystery box that has makeup and or skincare in it. You get in the Premium, you get $125, I think, or maybe it's $150, because they just started it, so I'm not exactly sure. The Premium box is $35, and the Boxy Luxe is $49.99, and the Luxe box comes every third month, so it's not every month. And then there is also the base box, which you can pay $25 for. So there are 3 options for you to choose from now. I do have a referral code which will get you a free item. I'll leave it in the description box down below. Enter that and you'll get a free item. And I will get 500 charms, which is like their place where you can buy. Sometimes they'll have stuff on sale, which is not on sale because it's at regular price, but you can use the charms that you collect to buy items. So that's how the charms work. So let's see, let's start with the Premium box. This is the size. I haven't opened it yet. Just got in the house. I've been running around. If you're wondering what's on my eyes today, it is the Gingerbread Extra Spicy palette, and I found this at Marshall's. So Marshall's already has this palette for $29.99. And they also had the round thing of the puff, the body powder with the puffy thing in it for $14.99. And my daughter saw it. She's like, man, I already bought that. So they already have the new stuff at Marshall's. My store had so much stuff. They had a lot of stuff. And this was like on the bottom, there was a stack of them. So check out your Marshall's if you're looking for that. I didn't plan on buying it, but my daughter's like, oh, I'll get it for you. So I got that. And then on my lips, I have one of the new Ofra lip glosses, and this is just in the shade Natural. And that is all that's going on my face. So this month, the theme is whimsy. We always get a card telling you the things that are in it and how much they're worth. So let's see. First thing I see here is a confetti highlighter from Ciate, London, and this is $32. Wow, they have it packaged nice. There's even a packaging inside the box, so that's nice. And this is the shade, does it even say Confetti? I guess that's what it's called, Confetti highlighter, and that's what it looks like. Let's take a little swatch of it. It feels like beads. Kind of, I don't know, it almost matches my sweater. It's like a peachy kind of color. It'd be really good for darker skin. I don't know that that would work for my skin though. It's pretty dark. I would have to try it with like a super light hand maybe, see if that works. And then the next thing I see here is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Pink Juice Moisturizer. That's nice. So this is, how much is this? $39. Wow. I have it packaged so that I can't get into it. Ow, that hurt. Okay, so 39 bucks. Looks pretty. So that takes care of the price of the box right there, and then some. So far so good. I don't think, let's see, I don't think I'm going to be happy with the palette though. Let's see, Kat Von D Cake Pencil Liner. So that is $19, and let's says it is unprecedented creaminess, intensely rich color, and budge-proof, resistant, waterproof, 100% vegan eyeliner. You don't have to choose between luscious, creamy comfort and true performance. So it's, oh, it's like a pencil eyeliner. I thought it was like a liquid eyeliner. So I'm not gonna tear into that. I just got a black eyeliner from ColourPop that was a mistake. So I don't need any black eyeliners. So we'll leave that in the box. Then I got the Avant Hyaluronic Vitamin C Lecithin Maris Aqua jojoba oil. That is a mouthful. So on the card it says it is the Deluxe Hyaluronic Vivifying Face and Eye Night Cream. And this says it's $134. Wow. Oh my, it says it's a delightful anti-aging moisturizer for face and targeted eye area, formulated with hyaluronic acid to deeply nourish your skin. It also combines signature ingredients to improve the appearance of enlarged pores, uneven skin tone, fine lines, dullness, and a weakened skin surface. Basically what they're saying is if you're old, you'll like this. So wow, that is a lot of money. And then we have the Bite Beauty Agave Nighttime Lip Therapy, and this is $22. I'm really excited to see this in a box. I haven't tried this before, and my lips are perpetually dry, so I will definitely like to try that. And then the palette I ended up getting is the Dose of Colors Hidden Treasure palette. I was hoping for the Natasha Denona palette, because the design of the pans in this just drives me crazy. Like, it just to me looks like such a mess that my eye looks at it and I'm just like, wow, that's crazy looking. So the shades are pretty, but I don't know that I'm going to use it. So I may save it and gift it to someone. But this is, or if there's anybody out there that got the Natasha Denona and you want to swap, let me know. So that is 50 bucks. So there's a lot of stuff in here and the price is nice for $35. So we'll see what's in the Luxe box here and see, whoops, where it ends up. That was just the highlighter. It didn't break, so that's good. And then here's the Luxe box up next, and it has the same theme, whimsy. And let's see here. The first thing here is Daily Concepts Daily Hair Wrap Towel. So I do have an Aquise towel that I use on my hair every time I wash it, so I may be able to change it up and see how that goes. And that is $18. Then I got a Too Faced Melted Matte Talc, and the shade is You Better Work. So let's see what the shade looks like. I don't know how I feel about the premium box. We got 2 moisturizers in 1 month. That's kind of a lot. That's a pretty shade. Hopefully I will like it and I'll give it a try. I've never tried the Too Faced melted products, so hopefully they will be good. And then I picked the QMS Lip Line Corrector, and this says it's 200 bucks. So yeah, I wouldn't be spending 200 bucks. The packaging is nice. You can just twist it and then it has a pump. So it says that it's formulated exclusively for the upper lip area. Lip Line Corrector targets fine lines and wrinkles, and this high performance lightweight serum is specifically designed to hydrate and plump lips for a smoother, youthful appearance. I can definitely use that. And then next up here we have the Fresh Soy Face Cleanser for all skin types. I've never tried anything from Fresh, so that's cool. This is $48. Wow. So you can't eat the plastic wrap. Thank you. He's trying to eat the plastic bubble wrap. So wow, 48 bucks. That is some expensive face wash. And it says it's a gentle cleanser, gel cleanser for all skin types, and has a cult following for the way it removes makeup, even mascara without drying, for soft, supple skin. It's made with amino acid rich soy proteins, calming cucumber extract, and a balancing rose water. Sensitive skin, it also soothes and tones. So that sounds good. And then the next thing I'm pulling out here is another of the Confetti highlighter, and I did get an email telling me that this was a mistake, that there was supposed to be a highlighter in one and a blush in the other. So they are supposed to be sending that out to me. And then this is the Saturday Skin Waterfall Glacial Water Cream. Again, 2 face cleansers in one box is kind of not ideal. Never tried anything from this brand. Well, this is like a moisturizer. So it's an anti-aging glacial water cream that delivers mineral-rich moisture while protecting skin from free radicals. A fusion of ferments, amino acids, and plant extracts help calm skin while boosting vitality and suppleness. So this is $39. So a moisturizer. So a cleanser and a moisturizer is pretty good. I can always use, you know, moisture. And then this is the IGK First Class Charcoal Detox Dry Shampoo. I've never tried their dry shampoo. This is $27. It says it's a powerful dry shampoo that cleanses the oiliest hair and scalp with oil erasing, odor eliminating charcoal powder, allowing you to go even longer between washes. 27 bucks. So I'll have to try it out. And if it's black, it'll probably be better on my hair because of the, you know, like when you use the other ones that are light, you usually get a white cast in your hair. So that should be nice. And then this is Mr. Greengrass Dry Oil Spray. And it says Beach Air. It's this fast absorbing multi-purpose dry oil spray is formulated with a blend of high quality oils that quickly penetrate, delivering superior moisture, leaving skin soft and luminous without feeling greasy. Layer with the M-Grass hand and body for extra moisturizing. $38. So I guess it's just like almost like a lotion, but spray. It smells really nice. I've never heard of this brand, so don't know. I'll have to give it a try and let you know next month how everything worked. And then the last item in the box is the Storybook Cosmetics Fairy Tale eyeshadow palette. It's nice. It has a mirror and 12 shades. And this, I don't think has even been released yet, or it's going to be released very soon. And this is the Little Briar Rose palette, and it is $55. I've not tried anything from Storybook, so when you get a box like this, it's nice because you can try brands that you've never tried before. Like, have I tried any of these brands? I have tried IGK, but everything else, I've tried the Too Faced brand, but not this lipstick. So a lot of things and brands that I haven't tried out, which, you know, it's a good way to try out new brands without spending a ton of money. So I like what was in the box. So let's see what the total, 50, I can't do math. Let's see, what's that? Like 50, 39, 100, 140, 170. It's over 200, 400. This is like an over a $400 box because of the lip thing that is $200. So for $50 for a $400 box, it may be even a little bit more than that, but I just tried to quickly add it in my head. And then the premium box is, let's see, 90, 110, 145, 55, 65, over $230 for the premium box. So really good value for the price that you pay. And the premium box, the only brand that I have tried is the Dose of Colors brand. So everything else is a new brand to me, which is really nice. And like I said, to be able to try stuff that you wouldn't normally buy, like this $34 face cream and a $200 lip cream. I mean, that's crazy good. So from what I'm seeing, I think that it's a really good month to have gotten Boxycharm. Would I have been happier with the Natasha Denona palette? Maybe, but I won't know. So I'll see, you know, how everything works out, and if what I like and I don't like, make sure to come back next month so you can catch my review. I review the boxes every month and let you know what I thought of them during the month while I was trying them out. So if you would like to know my thoughts and review on the boxes, make sure to subscribe and you'll be notified that I've put a new video up. And I'll have my unboxings again next month, and Mr. is here. So that is it for the 2 boxes. I hope that you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. And if you're new, I hope you think about subscribing before you leave, and make sure to click the notification bell so you will be notified of new videos. And if you're a returning watcher, welcome back. And you can also follow me on Instagram. I know there's been a lot of talk with the changes that YouTube is making about people worrying about losing their channels and everything because of these new, things that they've implemented, which I don't think it really pertains to me because I'm not doing anything that's like geared for children or that's like profane or, you know, anything like that. But just in case, you could follow me on Instagram. It is TreyLea70 at Yahoo, no, TreyLea70 on Instagram. I have it in the description box down below. And that's gonna do it for this video. I hope you liked it. Give me a thumbs up. And what? Okay. Yes, I hope that you guys are all having a beautiful day or night wherever you are, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.